Welcome to Dr. Mary Travel Best's 5 Steps to Solo Travel Guide, designed for women like you who need a little extra support while traveling the world one woman at a time. I've been traveling solo since 1972, and now you can experience the best-selling book series, 5 Steps to Solo Travel. I recently traveled around the world solo for 90 days. Find the books on Amazon. And please rate this podcast 5 stars and the book series. This special episode is dedicated to Savoring Solitude, Women's Guide to Eating Out Alone While Traveling. So you have 3 meals a day and you're solo. What do you do to enjoy these meals by yourself? You can have some great times if you follow these tips I'm going to give you. Maybe you could add more tips for other travelers, so let me know. Eating out alone can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience for solo travelers, including women aged 40, 50, 60, and above. Here are some tips to make your dining alone more comfortable and enjoyable. First of all, choose the right restaurant. So you want to choose restaurants that have a welcoming atmosphere and friendly staff. You can look for them who cater to solo diners and offer comfortable seating options. And you can find them on websites before you go or make reservations. When I was in Florence, Italy, I asked the hostel for a recommendation for a pizza restaurant. And they said Gusta was the best. I got a pizza for myself and a second one to return to the hostel. And I was greeted with a massive hug. And I met some really nice people at the restaurant. Another tip is to avoid busy or peak hours. So ask if you're unsure which they are. So think about dining during off-peak hours to avoid crowds and long wait times. Lunchtime or early dinner hours are maybe often quieter and more relaxed, and that may make it easier for you to enjoy your meal in peace. I ate an early dinner in Chennai, India, at a local diner. I asked for no chilies, but it was still spicy hot with chilies. I managed to eat it along with my peanut butter for protein. Now, you could bring a book or electronic device with you. So a book, an e-reader, a smartphone, whatever. You can entertain yourself while waiting for your meal. Reading can help you feel more comfortable and confident dining alone. I listen with earbuds and enjoy podcasts and my recordings of conversations with my mom, who died years ago, and I listen to her when I travel. I can engage with the staff, or so can you. You can strike up a conversation with the server or the bartender if you feel comfortable doing so. They can provide recommendations, share local insights, and just make you feel at ease. A smile will get you started, and after that, just ask a question you may have about the food, the restaurant, or the city. In the Philippines, in El Nido, my server/bartender explained to me that he was a temp worker and he was finished with his shift. For his pay, he got room and board, plus tips. Now, you could just sit at the bar. That can be an excellent option for solo diners, offering a more casual and interactive dining experience. You can chat it up with a bartender or fellow patrons and enjoy watching the action in the kitchen, which can be very entertaining for a solo traveler like me or you. One restaurant chain I know about lets you sit in the kitchen to watch the meal preparation, and you can see the show notes for that detail. One thing about eating solo can help you practice self-confidence. Remember that dining alone is nothing unusual or embarrassing. You can hold your head high, exude confidence, and enjoy the freedom to choose where and what to eat without compromise. I sometimes talk to myself to build my confidence when solo eating. Stay safe. Be mindful of your surroundings and trust your instincts when dining alone. Choose well-lit and populated restaurants and avoid sharing personal information with strangers. Also, secure your belongings. Don't leave your purse on the back of your chair. Celebrate solo dining. View dining alone as an opportunity for self-care and empowerment. Treat yourself to a delicious meal, savor the experience, and celebrate your independence as a solo traveler. Where are you going? Let me know if I helped you travel. The show notes have ways to connect.
What's on your travel bucket list? Tell the doctor and her team of women who travel the world seeking the very best. Dr. Travel Best, that is.